Step-by-step how to move $500,000 from 457B to Gold IRA tax-free. Learning how to move $500,000 from 457B to Gold IRA tax-free is a smart step for anyone who wants to protect a large retirement balance from market swings and inflation. With economic uncertainty and volatile stocks, many investors turn to gold for long-term stability. The good news is that this transfer can be done safely, legally, and without triggering taxes, if you follow the right process. Here is a simple, clear guide to help you move your funds with confidence. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Why move a 457B to a Gold IRA? A 457B plan is tied mainly to paper assets like stocks and bonds. Adding gold helps balance risk and preserve purchasing power. Key benefits include protection against inflation and currency decline, reduced exposure to stock market crashes, tangible asset ownership, long-term wealth preservation, greater portfolio diversification. When dealing with $500,000, protecting principal is just as important as growth. Step-by-step, how to move $500,000 from 457B to Gold IRA tax-free. 1. Confirm you're eligible. Most 457B plans allow rollovers after you leave your employer. Check with your plan administrator to confirm eligibility and rules. 2. Choose a Gold IRA custodian. You'll need an IRS-approved custodian that specializes in self-directed Gold IRAs. Look for experience, transparent fees, and strong customer support. 3. Open a self-directed Gold IRA. This account is required to hold physical gold. Complete the application and wait for approval before moving funds. 4. Request a direct rollover. Ask for a trustee-to-trustee rollover. This keeps the transfer tax-free and avoids penalties. Never take possession of the funds yourself. 5. Buy IRS-approved gold. Once funds arrive, use them to purchase approved gold coins or bars, 99.5% purity or higher, through authorized dealers. 6. Store gold in an approved depository. IRS rules require secure storage in an approved vault. Your custodian will arrange this for you. Understanding how to move $500,000 from 457B to Gold IRA tax-free gives you control over your retirement future. By using a direct rollover and following IRS guidelines, you protect your full balance while adding stability through physical gold. With the right custodian and a clear plan, the process is straightforward, secure, and penalty-free, helping safeguard your wealth for years to come. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.